Hey everybody, how's it going? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Hey, thanks for watching our video. I appreciate it. I've got 5 trades we're going to end up looking at today. First, let's get through the market. Take a look at that, okay? The SPY, we're still in a downtrend here with the SPY. You can see this, our downtrend line here. We're still there. Right now, let's do this. We'll just take this right in this area here, and I'm going to lay it right on the 50 simple moving average right here. And you can see this wedge that we're making in here. We closed right on that 50 today. So what we want to watch for, and the tell is going to be this. We get down through that 50 area down here, the tell will be the sellers have some control. If the bulls can push it back up and get through here, that'll be the tell that the buyers have control. It's that simple. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. FNGU is still looking a little poor, maybe a lot poor. Not looking so good here, so 3-day chart, we're on the 50 period moving average. The weekly chart looks like that might be where we're headed, down toward that 50. So it certainly looks like there's more downside here. And I know a lot of people follow the Qs. You can see the Qs here also looking like more downside. The diamonds actually did pretty well today. Other than the very last part of the day, we pulled back here. But if you take a look at Friday's candle and then today's candle, not bad for the bulls. This candle here, this long wick up here, suggests we may see a little bit of a pullback tomorrow. So we'll watch that. There we go. Below 318.17-ish, we want to watch that 315.60. Actually, I'm going to move this down. There we go. Around 315.15, something like that. Anything above that, I'm going to remain to the bullish side on the diamonds. Anything below that, not so much. If we get below this, and the Qs and the SPYs are still, the Qs and the SPY is still performing the way they are, we could be in a world of hurt here, okay? A world of hurt. So the stocks we're going to look at today are all to the long side, but believe me, I'm going to go through and clip off some shorts for tomorrow, or tomorrow and the rest of the week, because we could be looking to the short side. So I want to start with Apple. Apple still looks to the downside. Now, I'm looking to buy Apple long. It's possible. It's possible I look at a short here. I'm not currently short this. If it came up a little bit and gave me a good reason to short, I would. But outside of that, I'm actually looking for Apple to move lower, and then I'm going to look for a buy. And when that happens, I'll certainly be shouting it out here. All right, really quick, I get some long trades. And Nordstrom's, now I bought some Nordstrom's today, so we're holding it here. Yeah, this blue line is the 50 period moving average. And let me make sure on the Trendicator, yeah, it's a 17. So here we are bouncing off that 50 period moving average. Good bullish candle. We're above the T line and above the 17 or the Trendicator. So that's starting to look pretty good there. I'm just going to draw a line like this right there. If we break out, that will set us up to move a little bit higher, and we should make a little coin on Nordstrom's. Of course, if it fails here, then we will be stopped out pretty darn quick. We don't want it to fail to the point where it creates a blue ice failure to the downside. Disney, we were in Disney, and I closed Disney. I wanted to protect those profits. I will consider buying Disney back. What's going to happen is a little sideways action here, a little resting. Yeah, a little sideways action. rest in here and then look for another buy setup. But Disney does look like it's going higher. It looks nice and strong. If the market gets heavy and a little bit bearish, then it'll even pull something like Disney down. So we'll keep an eye on that. Jets might be setting up here. Some of the airlines did pretty well today, and Jets might be setting up. We've got a nice hammer candle right in here. We closed above the T-line today, and I'm going to draw a little line like this right here. And actually, we closed, above that breakout point. So something like that would be a nice buy box area in this on Jets. It's not, well, actually it is on the watch list. UAL, I forgot it was. We bought UAL today. Same type of chart pattern as that Jets, but we ended up buying UAL. And you can see that we've got a little downtrend here that we need to get over. And then anything below today's low would make me not want it. That would be below the T-line as well. So anything below that, just not going to be too keen on it. Like I said, some of the airlines really looked pretty good today. So we'll see if it pops up. We'll make some coin on that. Wba Walgreens. This is another one we bought today. We've had a nice long pullback right to the 50 period moving average. That's that dashed blue line you see here. And we have, in these three bars, we have a Morningstar type signal. It's not exactly a Morningstar signal. Close enough for me, though. We certainly have a doji and a bullish engulf here today, closing over the T-line and turning the Trendicator green. So I felt that was worth a risk. My downside risk is, around 3%. So well worth, seeing the cards tomorrow anyway. We'll see what happens with that. So anyway, those are ones that we're long on. And then tomorrow, we'll be looking at some shorts as well, just in case. One thing I will do quick in the morning, I like to trade the SPYs or the Qs to the short side or even to the long side sometimes. But to quickly get into something, I may end up buying some SPY puts if I start seeing this sell off a little bit. The only thing is I really didn't see a lot. I didn't see a lot of fear in VXX today. So this is one reason I'm not. Like super bearish right now. But I got to tell you, how long can this market hang on when the Qs are trending down like this? A person just has to wonder. Now, we did end up with a higher low today, so this is going to be kind of an important area here. If the bulls cannot hang on to this 297.45 area, if they can't hang on, this just gets worse and worse and worse. And then we really need to start watching for a relief rally, and then we'll just start putting on some shorts. It's that simple. Now, there's always going to be little pockets moving out there to the upside. There's always going to be a bull trade somewhere. There really is. It's just a matter of being a stock picker and finding it, or having the help of the LTA scanner on your side. That's a big benefit right there. So MO, we're still holding MO. MO is up nice today. We did pull off some profits today on that, but overall that's still holding up quite well, very well in fact. I don't think it's in there, but PM is one I'm watching. I'm going to flag that. That's going for the list tomorrow. Watch this Phillip Morris here. Let's take this to a 2-day chart. Look how it's really cleaning that up. 3-day chart, look at that 3-day chart, just getting better and better and better. 4-day chart, 5-day chart. 5-day chart looks good. 3-day chart's my favorite chart, and you can see how sideways that's looking right there. Let's do this. And let's just put another one in there. There we go. So anything in this area here would be a buy, and then on a breakout, we're making money. On the daily chart, though, I think I'm going to tighten that up just a little bit. So whatever this is here, above 85.30, yeah, above 85.30, I'll remain bullish. On that breakout, we start making money. Now, I'm not in this one yet, but I will look to be in tomorrow if it offers me an entry here, or maybe even on an early breakout. All right. Hey, look. Hey, I want to thank everybody that's been posting on our Hit and Run Candlestick group page. I appreciate that. Thank you so very much for doing that. Please, the more posts, the better. Get some conversation going. Get some chart ideas out there. That'd be great. It's for everybody to communicate and to throw those ideas out there, bat them back and forth. Thanks for subscribing to our YouTube channel here, and well, in general, just thank you very much. I'll see everybody tomorrow, okay? Hopefully in the trading room. If not, we'll see you tomorrow night at the member e-learning. You guys take care. Thank you so much. Oh, today's date is it's Monday, March 8th. I do not think I mentioned that early on. You guys take care. Thank you.